We are the WBs and this is our travel diary. My name is Victoria and my husband's name is Paul. We love all things holiday related and we're famous for our love of travel, particularly to sunny destinations, usually with a cocktail in hand. At the moment, we can be found travelling around the UK in our campervan conversion Layla, and we would love it if you would come along for the ride. Sending love and sunshine, the WBs.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Now today's a really exciting day because we're going to give you the full van tour of our campervan conversion Layla. She's completely finished now and is absolutely beautiful, and I can't wait to show you around. So Layla started off life as a 17-seater minibus. She was in fact a school bus. When we collected her, we took the 14 seats out of the back and we left the 3 seats in the cab, so she can sleep 2 and drive with 3. So when you first come in, you'll see that we've adapted the front so that it's a bit safer. So we've moved the grab handle to this side and changed it to a smaller one that the minibus had. Kitted out the step with a little bit of carpet so that it's not slippery. And then over here, we've got a little place to hang our umbrella and also to store the projector screen, which we'll show you in a little while. So this is our bathroom. We've got a fully working shower with hot and cold water. And we've also got a porta potty toilet. We originally fitted a door on here, but in actual fact we found the door was a bit more of a hindrance, so we've opted to change that to a shower curtain that we can just pull across for privacy. Over here we've got my dressing table area, so I just keep all my girly goods that Paul's not interested in here, and then in this cupboard I've got hairdryer, straighteners, all sorts of bits and bobs. And again here we've got another 240-volt switch so that it's all accessible. We've also put a small bookcase up here where we just keep travel books, cooking books and some colouring books actually, and then we've got a little basket that we keep all of our spare leads, cards, switches, batteries, that sort of thing. I'll hand you over to Paul now to talk about his gadgets and electrical system, because I literally have no idea what any of it is.
Now it comes to the electrical bit, so I designed all this myself, while Victoria done everything else inside the campervan to make it look pretty. This is my little area here. So first of all we've got the main switches for the campervan. We try to put everything onto a switch so I can control everything throughout the van. So you've got one for the lighting in here, you've got one for the bathroom toilet there, one for the stereo that will start up in a minute, one for the water pumps, we just turn that on when we need it for the hot and cold running water, and then we've got the one here for DC outlet from just a cigarette lighter and just the USB outputs. We've got some more here, so we've got the fresh water tank here, so that just tells me how much water we've got. So we've just filled this up just now. We're on a CL site at the moment, so filled it up fully. One for our side lights, not currently connected. No one here for the USB outlets in the van as well. And then we've got one here which Victoria didn't really know about before, which is now the bass speaker for the surround sound.
Is it really?
Yeah. That's
Have you fitted a bass bin without telling me?
That's why it's not labelled up.
Okay, that's
secret little thing.
interesting.
So then after that I bought this touchscreen stereo off Amazon. Handy little unit, so it's got Bluetooth on there, all touchscreen, as you can see exactly what's going on, and also plug our projector into this as well, which then gives us surround sound with the bass speaker throughout the van. So let's turn that off. Got an energy monitor here which tells us currently what we're using for the 12-volt system. Not a huge amount at the moment, so I've got it on the hookup, so it's only coming for 240-volt at the moment for the batteries. But obviously when you get everything using, you can actually see the amperage and get an idea of how much you're actually using. You've got a diesel heater here, probably can't see that screen there. Absolutely necessary. We was camping on site on the beach last night, about -2 was it?
Yeah.
And we wouldn't have survived without it. It was beautifully warm in here. And then you've got the inverter controller here, just tells you've got full batteries at the moment on there. You can just turn it on and off from here if you want, which is a handy little device. Then over here you've got our Wi-Fi, so we've got inbound Wi-Fi built into this Netgear system. Aerial that plugs or just literally sticks onto the window there. That gives us full 4 or 5G coverage depending where we are in the country. So this is our little projector, it's an LCD projector. So I've got it plugged into the surround sound at the moment. Has got battery in it, but normally I just power it. So I've put some USB sockets down here and power it up. Plug a Chromecast into it, a laptop, weave one into it, and then project it onto the screen.
Here we've got our seating area. This is made out of the same cupboards that we made the kitchen out of. They're just turned on their side and they've got push buttons as they open. So we just store our induction hob and kettle, toaster, that sort of thing under here. So going up to the top of the van, we've got the same units that we use for the chairs and the kitchen, but they've been cut down slightly and adapted by Paul so that they could fit as high storage. Inside these we keep our clothes and also spare bed linen. Catches on so they can't come undone, and then these are just really there for show. Now at the back of the van we've got a full-size double bed. It's a bit of a tight squeeze, but the good thing with a minibus is it's got windows, so we've actually built this bed so it slots into the windows, and we've literally just got a double-size mattress in here. It's perfectly fine for me. I'm 4'10", so I've got loads of room. Paul, you're a little bit squeezed up, aren't you? It's not quite as easy for Paul, but it's okay, it's manageable, I believe. Under the bed we've got a 240 volt fridge, and that runs off of the inverter. Now this part's one of my favourite features of our van. This is our little kitchen. Now we haven't fitted a cooker or a hob permanently, and the reason for that is most of the time when we're going to be away we'll be cooking outside. We've got a really lovely barbecue and some outdoor cooking goods, so we didn't want to waste the space in here, but we do have things that we can bring in. So our most famous talking point is definitely Farrah the faucet. I saw this tap and just had to have it. I thought it was so cute. I love her, and you must love her too. Now the observant amongst you will notice that we've got lots of little bits that stylise our van to our beach club on wheels. It does take 5-10 minutes to pack up. We've got some boxes, I just put everything in. Of course the wine and the alcohol comes off, and we tend to store it under the bed, and it's really quick and easy to get out. Up here we've also got spice rack. Doesn't get used too much, but everyone that's got a van has to have a spice rack. And the final bit to show you is the cupboards. They are the same units that were for the chairs and for the overbed storage. They're actually originally bathroom vanity units. They're slightly smaller than standard house kitchen units, and for that reason they work really well in here. So that's the inside of Layla. I'll take you outside now. So outside the van we've got this caravan store awning that folds away and comes out super easy. It comes out in about less than a minute. We've actually uploaded a video of how it was fitted on another vlog that we can drop in here. Outside we also have 2 little gas stoves, as well as over here we have our fantastic fire pit by BioLite. This is absolutely brilliant. It's smokeless and you can cook on it, you can use it as a fire pit.
One of our most favourite features of our beautiful van is this, our fabulous rooftop sun terrace. It extends across the length of the van all the way down to our 2 solar panels and roof box. Thanks for watching our tour of our Beach Club on Wheels Layla. We hope you love her just as much as we do. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, we'd love it if you do, and give us a like and a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified of when we upload a new video. Thanks so much for all the support with our channel, we sincerely appreciate it. We hope to see you somewhere soon on our travels. Sending love and sunshine, the WBs.